a calendar? Do you know when your last cycle was? Well, if you're not regular, I've got a tip for you. You can do beets or beet juice. You can take this concentrate and put it in some water and drink it a couple times a week. And the reason why beets are so great to help you regulate your cycle is number one, in Chinese medicine, the color red, just as in the beets, can help induce like becomes like. Number two, beets have a high amount of iron, calcium, and folic acid, which can also induce a period. And number three, they can also help you while you're on your period. It can help reduce not only bloating, but also water retention. So it's a really healthy way to help bring the flow about. Do consider doing that for 3 cycles using the beet powder and so forth. The other thing you can do is this simple acupressure tip. It's called the third eye. What I want you to do for the next couple of minutes, follow along with me for the next minute, we're going to do this acupressure point. This acupressure point specifically can help induce a period for 2 different reasons. Number one, this period can balance out the cholesterol levels, reducing the stress, and then can have more available resources to help you have a cycle. It can balance out estrogen, progesterone, FSH, and LH. And also this point, mirror imaging wise, can also represent the uterus. So by massaging this, you can bring blood flow to the uterus to help shed the uterine lining so that you have a cycle. And as I'm sitting here with you, I can feel my lower abdomen where the uterus is in. I can feel that there is some blood flow there. So here is another tip along with beets. Do this acupressure point a couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 regular cycles from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.